Hey guys, what's up? Hey girl, hey, it is your girl Tash and welcome back. For today's video, we're going to be jumping into SHEIN part 2. If you didn't catch part 1, I will link it here. And if you are looking for some really cute and affordable plus size fashion, you are in the right place. Grab yourself a drink, grab a snack, come on back, and let's see what I hauled in today's video. Y'all, you know what it is. We are going to be jumping into another SHEIN haul. This video is not sponsored, guys. I paid for all of this stuff myself, and I think all in all I'm hauling around 30 pieces in total, so make sure you are subscribed. That way you can check out parts 1 and 2. Also, if you are new to my channel, what's up? Again, my name is Tash. I am between a size US 3X and 4X. I'm on a weight loss journey, so more recently I've been picking up more 3Xs. So for this first piece today, this is in Curve Plus, which is SHEIN's extended line. They go from a 22 all the way up to a 34, literally making fashion for everyone. So this is one of their new denim dresses, and I am obsessed. This is cotton, poly, and viscose. So you definitely want to make sure to check your measurements versus their measurements so that you get more of a precise fit, because there is no stretch in this bad boy. It is very well made, and I'm loving this. Now, when I first put this on, I was like, ooh, skirt, hold up, she's not gonna fit, because she's a little tight in the bust. But honey, give me another month and it will be perfection. So nice long sleeves. These are where you can unbutton and roll them if you want or need to. It is fully functional buttons all the way down, nice cinched waist here. And you could pair this with a really cute belt. It does have tiers all the way down the skirt part of the dress, which I'll show you in just a second. Easy over the head moment, or you could unbutton the buttons and put her on like a jacket and button it up. Coming to you guys, here is the actual color of this dress, and I love this light colored denim. Generally, as a plus size girl, I opt for more dark colored denim, but I really like this. Ooh, 2 fully functional pockets here. There are no pockets in this area of the dress, so I'm digging that these are functionable. And then, as I said before, little tight in the bust, as you guys can see, but she works. Backing it on up for y'all, here are the tiers in the dress. I love this. I think this is so cute. And if you're more on the bigger side here in the belly like myself, I love this because I feel like it doesn't make you look pregnant. Here is the back. I think this is a perfect length. You could pair this with the leggings. If you're someone that gets too cold, this is right below my knee. I'm 5'3", and I love everything about this dress. Show you guys just a little bit further down here. This is what she's looking like on me. I think this would even be cute with a pair of like insulated tights, especially if you're someone that gets cold. For me, this is perfect for the winter or fall because I'm hot-blooded. This is a vibe. I love this dress. I know y'all are not used to seeing me with wet hair. I'm trying something a little new. We're here for the clothes. Alright, so moving on to the next piece here. This is by Curve Plus. This is one of their sweatshirt dresses, and the reason I use air quotes is because this is a really thin material, so it's kind of more like a hoodie t-shirt dress, but I really like it. So this is giving comfy, cozy vibes for winter and fall, of course, or fall and winter, however you want to say it. I picked this up in a 22, and I'm glad that I did, even though it's really fitted. There's no stretch in here because this is made of poly and viscose. So you definitely want to check those measurements. Okay, I think it's perfect length. It is right below my knee, which you guys will see in a second. And it's just really cozy, comfy. And it says California, Los Angeles, something. I think Hollywood. It does have a kangaroo pouch. Fully functional drawstrings for the hoodie in the back, and it's just really fun. If you wanted to pair this tunic style with some leggings, you could totally do that. And yeah, here's the length. Again, I think it's perfect. I do have shorts on just because but you don't need to pair this with shorts. You could pick this up oversized, and again, it'd be like a super oversized tunic, and that would work as well. But overall, I think it's perfect just the way it is. All right, y'all, so this outfit is super cute. Okay, let's start with this top. So the top is fairly kind of like crochet-esque vibes, I guess, with like a tie on the bottom. Could be see-through, I'm not sure. I have it paired with my sports bra, and just for simplicity. So this is actually SHEIN Curve. SHEIN Curve Plus is extended. SHEIN Curve is like up to a 3X, but I'm telling you, check the measurements, because I can wear stuff from the SHEIN Curve line, and I got a large belly. So, I'm just kidding. So this is, I think, poly viscose. I think, guys, it's got a little bit of stretch, but not much. So again, say what? Check those measurements. Really, really cute. It's like a mauvey mulberry color V-neck, drop sleeve or drop shoulder, whatever, short sleeve. I really like this. It is so cute and comfy. Easy over the head. Here is the design of it. Again, really cute and comfy. Here is the true length on this, guys. Again, this does tie, I'd say, right to the tops of my hips. And if you're wanting the booty covered, she's fairly covered. Now, let's talk about these jeans. If you have been here with me, you already know I love these style of jeans from SHEIN. Number one, they're high rise and they fit my belly, and they're comfortable. Number two, this is fully functional, so if you need to tighten these up, girlfriend. Number three, we have nice deep pockets here in the front. It is elastic all the way around. I did pick these up in a 26. These are cotton, poly, and I think viscose. Fully functional pockets in the back. And let's show you guys the very bottom. So these are skinny jeans. They come pre-rolled. A little bit of distressing at the bottom, not much. So for those of you that are not into the distressed look, they got you covered as well. Very, very, very comfortable. There's no gapping. Sorry, guys. As I was saying, there's no back gap, which I love. So when I bend over, we're good. Like, my jeans are not gonna come down. They're not too tight around the belly area. Generally, I am a US 24 in jeans. That is high rise as well, but with SHEIN, I generally size up to a 26. So just check your measurements and you'll be fine. So my ride or dies know that there is one thing that I love in the world of fashion. An off the shoulder moment. Now, on the model, her beautiful self had this off of both shoulders. I don't think that's gonna too much work for me, because if I size up in this, it's gonna be way too big. So I'm okay with just the side shoulder, and you can do whichever one you want. This is in a 24-26 based on their measurements. It's this beautiful hot pink. It is so soft, so stretchy. Also, this is SHEIN Fit Plus. Guys, this is 100% acrylic, so you do have some stretch in there, which is nice. And if you don't want to wear it off the shoulder, it would be kind of that boat neck kind of vibe, I guess. Here in the back, here is the true color. It is a gorgeous hot pink. You can either roll this sweater or wear it at its full length. It is super, super comfortable. Nice bit of length too. I'd say mid-thigh for me. Does cover my booty. And I would probably wear it rolled a little bit. But I love, 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 love this sweater. It is really comfy, cozy. It's like that perfect little, you know, to give a little bit of sex appeal without showing too much. This would be such a perfect first day winter sweater. So every now and again, we have a little oopsie. So, like I tell you guys, check your measurements, check your measurements, check your measurements. This piece I picked up, and I believe it's either a 22 or a 24 or 26. Guys, check the description box. Everything's linked below in the order that I try it on in with a discount code. Again, this video is not sponsored, but I do work with SHEIN quite a bit. But y'all know I keep it a hundo. This bad boy a little too tight, SHEIN. So maybe size up on this one. This has a faux wrap here in the front. There's no buttons, but if you need to adjust, so on and so forth, you can do that. Gorgeous balloon sleeves. I love this whole style of dress. It's nice and lightweight, but again, it's polyester, so there's no stretch. I definitely highly recommend if you have wide hips or a belly or a big booty, size up in this dress, because she hugging Tina all up to her. But anyway, the show must go on. Easy over the head, guys. It's super affordable. That nice thin lightweight material where if you gonna dance your ass off, you're not gonna sweat in this. Now, as I said, it is tight in this area here around the belly and in the back. I am gonna hang on to this though, even though you do get free returns. Nice little sexy slit. Hey girl, hey. I should be able to wear this by the spring for sure. So yeah, I think it's a great length. Not too long, not too short, and you got that little bit of sex appeal there. So nice little cute ruffle at the bottom, and who doesn't love this print? Like, for real? Yeah, next piece. All right, y'all, so y'all gonna laugh with me because I promise you I had the best intentions with this outfit, but it's just not a vibe, and I'm getting ready to show you why, but I need a drink, girl. So anyways, Le Top is a bodysuit, and one of you, hey curvy girl, hey, got me obsessed with bodysuits. So I picked this one up in a size, I don't remember, you guys. I think it's a 24, 26, and the reason I did that is because these actually run smaller. It is SHEIN Curve Plus, and it is poly and elastane, so you have tons of stretch. Like, and it's cut so low here in the front, I had to, like, I have my bra on, but like you can't tell because, yeah, it just was not vibing with this. So this is long sleeve. It's full long sleeve, but I'm getting hot because of the studio lights. Easy pull on, pull up, or do over the head. It does have the two little snaps in the private area. That way when you're in public, you don't have to get undressed. Like, who wants to do that? I don't. Pretty sure all bodysuits come like that now. But yeah, this is really, really cute, really affordable, super comfortable, and yeah. Now, these pants looked so dope on the model, and I might like them if I had body shapewear on, but y'all know how I roll. I don't typically use shapewear on my channel because I want you to see it on my real body. So here we go. These I picked up in a 22, and I'm glad that I did because I like how they fit. Not aesthetically, but I do like how they fit. They're really soft and comfortable. And of course, they're leopard print and flare leg. Don't laugh, girl. I don't care if you do. So anyway, I don't like how they fit here, but we're working on her. So, but yeah, guys, super duper stretchy, and these are a 22. These are also poly and elastane, so you have plenty of room in these. Like I said, I'm typically a US size 24 in pants, but these are just so freaking stretchy. And I love them. They're high rise. They are flare leg, which who does not love a good flare leg? Who doesn't love a good leopard print? So here they are to the side, in the back. Look at that penguin booty, girl. But yeah, they're really, really cute, right? I just aesthetically, I don't like this. But again, we're working on it, and you can always put a really cute black, red, any color sweater over this area, and you're gonna look really, really cute. So really quickly, I wanted to share with you guys, I actually had one more piece in this haul, other than this, which I'm about to share with you. But I actually bought two of these in two different sizes by accident. It's these shorts, these pants, they're cargo pants. These are a size 24, and I will link them below because in case any of you wants them, they still have the tags on them. You can see them in my SHEIN Part 1 haul, which is linked in the iCards. They're really soft and comfortable, super stretchy, and they do have the deep cargo pockets. So if you want them, I believe I paid $21 or $24.95 for these, one of the two. I'm gonna let them go for 18 bucks. and well, plus shipping. Shipping's pretty high, I think. So just let me know if you want them, and then we can work something out. Just either comment below or send me a message, a DM, something like that. But yeah, they're really, really cute, and you can see me show them to you guys in SHEIN part 1. All right, so this is really, really cute. As I was saying in SHEIN part 1, everybody needs that perfect black dress, or you know, that little black dress. So I picked this one up because I needed a new one. Like, all of my other ones are way too big. So this is a size 22, and it is elastane and poly. So there is stretch. We've got a nice faux wrap here at the bust, and it, you know, you could adjust it accordingly. Lace sleeves, which I love. It's so pretty. You've got a cinched waist here under the bust. You could pair this with a belt. You could pair this with whatever you want to. And some really cute booties. Throw your hair up, you know, fresh everyday makeup, and you're good to go. This is just so versatile. So here she is to the side. In the back, super easy, guys. You just slip this right over the head. Who doesn't love that? So here is the true color. It's a nice, beautiful jet black. You do have 2 layers here. So you've got your lace layer and your bottom layer, nice and silky, nice and thin and lightweight, but very well made. All right. So she's falling right below my knee. Keep in mind, I am 5'3". So if you're taller or shorter, she gonna hit different. But I do think that she has a good length on her. I feel really comfortable. I feel pretty. And yeah, but most of all, I feel comfortable and confident in this. Now, I do have shorts on with this, y'all, because all it's gonna take is a little whoop and people gonna see your goodies. Okay, so protect your goodies, girls. I mean, unless that's the vibe you're going for, you do you, boo. You do you. All right, y'all, so that is the end of today's video. As always, I'd like to know, what was your favorite piece down in the comments. If you are new here, I hope you'll subscribe. That way you don't miss out on future SHEIN videos or SHEIN part 3. If you guys have not seen part 1, please go check it out. It should be here on the screen somewhere, or coming on the screen somewhere. I hope that you are all staying safe out there. I hope you're having an amazing day wherever you are. To my ride or dies, hey girl, hey, I love y'all to the moon and back, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. No, I mean for real, bye.